Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Dhruva Maharaj thus surpassed the 7 planetary systems of the great sages who are known as Saptarshi. Beyond that region, he achieved the transcendental situation of permanent life in the planet where Lord Vishnu lives. The airplane was piloted by the 2 chief associates of Lord Vishnu, namely Sunanda and Nanda. Only such spiritual astronauts can pilot their airplane beyond the 7 planets and arrive in the region of eternal blissful life. It is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita also that beyond this planetary system begins the spiritual sky, where everything is permanent and blissful. The planets there are known as Vishnuloka or Vaikuntha-loka. Only there can one get an eternal blissful life of knowledge. Below Vaikuntha-loka is the material universe, where Lord Brahma and others in Brahmaloka can live until the annihilation of this universe. But that life is not permanent. That is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Even if one goes to the topmost planet, one cannot achieve eternal life. Only by arriving in Vaikuntha-loka can one live an eternally blissful life.